Hi guys, this is Alex, a quality service heating and cooling. Just want to show you what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to do the water heater. Take this old water heater, which is like 80% water heater, and install new Noritz 95% efficient water heater, Tankless. So, and my previous job was installing this air conditioner. That's what I did, and then installed train gas furnace. So now, time for the water heater. So I already ran gas line, which is truck pipe, gas pipe, very easy to install, and it's right here, about 100 feet there. I'll show you what I'm gonna do with venting. I'm gonna install two 3-inch PVC pipes, and they're gonna go. Okay, Michael, see you later. Here's the owner, and the flue pipe's gonna go this way, and I'll show you later how it's gonna look like. And now, time to show you guys the gas meter. What I did there. Michael, this is gonna go on YouTube.
Good, very good.
This is what I did. Drilled a hole through the wall and connected 3/4 inch gas pipe to a 1-inch gas pipe. So this water heater requires a 1-inch gas pipe size. So let's go to the gas meter. This is the gas meter. This is what I'm doing. Actually, this is what I did about an hour ago. Drilled a hole and ran 3/4 inch black iron through the wall. Your code. So, okay guys. Well, the next video is gonna be after the installation. It's gonna be a water heater. Everything's gonna be done, and we're gonna see how it works. See you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, I'm back, and this is the water heater I just installed about 20 minutes ago. So as you see, that was the old one. Now there's nothing there except plumbing pipe and a new water heater. That's the zoning I did about 2 years ago. Come on, focus, focus. There we go, right there. That's the zoning I did 2 years ago. Transformer, low voltage wires everywhere. Zone 1, Zone 2, condensate pump with a fancy looking P-trap. So anyway, let's go back to water heater. That's the water heater I just did. Ran 1-inch gas line, ballast reducer, gas valve, 3/4 inch union, T. Gotta have a T. 3 black, and then install those valves, red and blue. Still have to do the condensate drain somewhere in the back here. I'll be back tomorrow or so to get that done. I don't have materials, so this is it right there. Noritz 95% efficient water heater. You will never run out of hot water. So, comes with a new thermostat, and it has 2 rubber union connectors in case if that thing breaks and you need to replace it. So that's it. PVC pipes, exhaust and intake goes outside. There we go. I didn't have 3-inch 90s, so homeowner had one. Lucky me. But it's black. It'll work, no problem. Strap. So anyway, that's it guys. Installed by me, Alec, and it's me. Hi. Okay, see you guys later.